Hi everybody, welcome back to the craft room. This is Diane. We are on day 7 of the 7 Days of Summer collaboration between Cara Brandon Creations and Dear Julie Julie. And I've come to show you what I've done for the last day of the collaboration. First, like always, I'll show you the beautiful digitals. So this is Cara Brandon's digital. She's got lots of journal cards here and some ephemera and words to use. And then Dear Julie Julie has these 2 large journal cards and some smaller ones on the side. So what I did with these was, let's see, with the big cards, I put them on a large ledger sheet and made a fold out. A little tab there and some of the ephemera inside. That's the back, and then on the back side I used some of Dear Julie Julie's cards to decorate there. That's so cute. I love it. You could paper clip it in, you could glue it as a tuck spot, put things behind it and have it fold out. I really like this one. This one was cute. And then I made a ton of journal cards. I may go back and sew around these. I'm not sure if I want to or not, but I took Cara Brandon's card and put fussy cut the girls out of one of Dear Julie Julie's cards, put it there. Then I made a little tab with my ticket punch. This one was just gorgeous on its own. I just put a tab on it. Love it. Lemons, strawberry tab. Beautiful. I found this to-do list paper at a thrift store, so I thought that was really cute on the back, and I could fit one card on the top and one on the bottom. So some of them have cherries on bottom and some have strawberries on top. So that was really fun. I like that. This is the large ticket. Watermelon. Another watermelon. And then all of these tickets and tabs I punched out of Cara's Day 2 collage sheet. So I wanted to show you what I did with the tickets. I have this old ticket punch. As you can see, I got it for $1. This beast is very hard to punch. It takes determination to use this, but when you do, you get 3 little tickets like this. So they have the little divots in the end. It's cute. And I just took them and folded them over, and then, you know, glue on each side, and then it made a tab. You could even round the top corners of these too. That would be really cute. So I use the large and the medium for tabs, and then the small ones I'll just put in my little snippet bucket for whenever I'm making snippet rolls. I don't think you can see this on the camera because it's shiny, but the large ticket says 1 3/16 inches by 2 1/16 inches. The medium is a 7/8 inch by 1.5 inch. And then the tiny one is 7/8 inch by 1/2 inch. So yeah, every time you punch this you get 3, but let me tell you, it does take a lot of effort. So I hope you all enjoyed these projects as much as I have. I have had a lot of fun working with these digitals, and I'm going to continue working on the journal. I'm going to show you the journal once I'm done, and I believe it's going to be my 600 subscriber giveaway as well. So stay tuned for that, and I'll have another video on that soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate all your support, and please support Cara and Julie for all that they do for us, giving the freebies, beautiful printables. I really enjoyed working with these ladies. So thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.